Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope everybody is fine. Now I am taking 6th class mathematics. Knowing our numbers is your first chapter and whole numbers is your second chapter. Already these two chapters were completed. Now I will start the third chapter. Are you ready, students? What is the name of third chapter? Yes. Third chapter name is playing with numbers. Let's be play. First of all, we discuss in this chapter what is the divisibility rule. What is the divisibility rule? The process of checking if a number is divisible by a given number or not without actual division is called the divisibility rule of the number. Once again I will repeat. Listen carefully. The process of checking if the number is divisible by a given number or not without actual division is called the divisibility rule of the number. Let us review the divisible rules studied in previous classes. What is the first divisible rule? Now, divisibility by 2. The ones place of the number is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Then the given number is divisible by 2. What are these numbers are called the even numbers? If the numbers ends with 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, that numbers are called the even numbers. So, children, every even number is divisible by 2. Okay. For example, here 246. Without division, is it divisible by 2 or not? How we will check? That is the use of divisibility rule. Here, last digit, just we check the last digit. The last digit is 6. So, it is divisible by 2. Next number is 4321. Now here the last digit is 1. So it is not divisible by 2. Next number, next example 89,630. The last digit is 0. So it is divisible by 2. Exactly divisible by 2. What is the meaning of exactly divisible? While we doing the division, if we get the remainder as 0, it means the number is exactly divisible by the number. Okay. Next, divisibility by 3. What is the rule of divisibility by 3? If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. Means what? If the sum of the digits of the number is multiple of the 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. For example, I will show 12,345. If we add all these digits, what is the answer? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Is 51 is divisible by 3? Yes. 3 5s are 15. So, 12,345 also divisible by 3. One more example, 8,903. If we add the digits of this number, 8 plus 9 plus 0 plus 3. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. Is 20 is divisible by 3? No. 20 is not divisible by 3. 20 is not a multiple of 3. So, 8,903 is not divisible by 3. Next, one more example, 738. If we add the digits, 7 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to how much? 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Why? Because 3 6 are 18. 18 is a multiple of 3. So, 738 also divisible by 3. Next, what is the divisibility by 6? What is the rule of divisibility by 6? If the number is divisible by both Be careful. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the given number is divisible by 6. Okay. Suppose if a number is divisible by 2 but it is not divisible by 3, then it is not divisible by 6. Okay. Suppose if the given number is divisible by 3 but it is not divisible by 2, then also it is not divisible by 6. Definitely, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6. For example, here 48,903. The last digit is 3. So, it is not divisible by 2. Next, here we will check. Suppose if we had the digits 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 0 plus 3. What is the answer? 12, 21, 24. 24 is a multiple of 3. Here 48,903 is divisible by 3. But it is not divisible by 2. So it is not divisible by 6. Okay. Next, 34,810. Here the last digit is 0. It is divisible by 2. Now we will check the sum of its digits. 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 1. What is the answer? 7 plus 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 is not a multiple of 3. So, it is divisible by 2. But it is not divisible by 3. So, it is not divisible by 6. Be careful. Don't say with blind. The last digit is 0. It is divisible by 2. So, it is divisible by 6. Don't say like that, children. Be careful. Next, I will say one more example. 23,514. 23,514 is divisible by 2 or not? The last digit is 4. So it is divisible by 2. Next, the sum of its digits. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 is the multiple of 3. So 15 also divisible by 3. So 23,514 is divisible by 2 and 3. So, this number is also divisible by 6. Okay. Do you understand? Divisibility by 2 completed. Divisibility by 3 completed. Divisibility by 5 completed. Now, we will learn what is the divisibility by 5. What is the divisibility by 5? The ones place of a number is 0 or 5. 0 or 5. Then the number is divisible by 5. Once again, the ones place of a number is 0 or 5. Then the number is divisible by 5. For example, 45,890 is divisible by 5 or not? Just we look at the last digit, means ones place. In this number, the ones place is 0. The ones place digit is 0. So, this number is divisible by 5. Next, one more example. 57,123 is divisible by 5 or not? Just we look at the last digit. The last digit is 3. So, it is not divisible by 5. One more example. 89,675 is divisible by 5 or not? Just we look at the last digit. Okay. We don't need whichever number here. No need this all. Just we concentrate on the last digit. The last digit is 5. So, it is divisible by 5. Then, divisibility by 9. Just divisibility by 3 and divisibility by 9. Both are same. Just small difference. If the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the given number is divisibility by 9. There in the divisibility by 3, if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible multiple of 3, here multiple of 9. So, if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9 or means multiples of 9, then the given number is divisible by 9. Example, 73,241. The sum of its digits. 7 plus 3 how much? 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Is 17 is divisible by 9? No. 17 is not divisible by 9. 17 is not a multiple of 9. Okay. So, this number is not divisible by 9. One more example. 89,019. The sum of the digits. We do the sum. 8 plus 9, how much? 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 is the multiple of 9. Why? Because 9 3s are 27. So, 89,019 is divisible by 9. One more example. 2,34,801. The sum of the digits. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 18 is the multiple of 9. Means 9 2s are 18. So, 2,34,801 is divisible by 9. Next, what is the divisibility of 10? The ones place of a number is only 0. Only 0. Then the number is divisible by 10. Examples, 89,670 is divisible by 10 or not? Just we concentrate the ones place. Here in the ones place is 0. So, definitely it is divisible by 10. One more example. 23,453. Here the last digit is 3. So, this number is not divisible by 10. One more example. 480. The ones place is 0. So, definitely it is divisible by 10. Here, listen here children. Divisibility by 2, divisibility by 5, divisibility by 10. These three are related. Why? Because divisibility by 2, just we check the ones place. If the ones place is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then it is divisible by 2. Again, divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5 also we check the only ones place. If the ones place is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. 10 also. If the ones place is 0, just here divisibility by 2, divisibility by 5, divisibility by 10. Just we are checking the ones place. Okay. If the last digit is 0, it is divisible by 10. Like divisibility by 3 and divisibility by 9. These two are related. If the sum of the digits is multiple of 3, it is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits is multiples of 9, it is divisible by 9. Okay children.